Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about mathematics part 2, lesson number 6, trigonometry. We can measure distance by using rope or by walking on the ground. But how to measure the height of a tall tree, tall buildings, the distance between ship and the lighthouse, distance between flying bird and observer. These all are the examples related to mathematics. Trigonometry, a branch of mathematics, is useful to find answers to such questions. Trigonometry is used in different branches of engineering, different branch of astronomy, navigation, etc. The word trigonometry is derived from the three words. Tri means three, gona means sides, and metron means measurements. Let's recall. Now fill in the blanks with reference to figure. Now here sin theta. Sin theta is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite side is what? Of theta? AB. AB upon AC. Okay, and cos theta is what? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent of theta? It is BC upon AC. Now tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite upon adjacent. So what is theta's opposite side? Theta's opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Okay. So tan theta is AB upon BC. Now next activity is complete the relations in ratios given below. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to what? Tan theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Now sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. And tan theta into tan 90 minus theta, which is equal to 1. Now next activity, complete the equation sin square plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now write the values of the following trigonometric ratios. Now trigonometric ratios value sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 30 is equal to, cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. And tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. And sin 60 is equal to root 3 upon 2. This all we have studied in standard 9. Let's learn about cosec, sec, tan ratios. The multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of sine ratio is called cosecant ratio. Cosecant ratio. It is written as cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. Now as per the figure, see how to write. Now this figure A, B, C theta. Now we know cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now sin theta is what? Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, means AC. Means cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite. Okay, therefore cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side. Okay, means AC upon AB. Now next we will see that means what we can write here means hypotenuse side upon opposite side. Now we will see of sec theta. Now sec theta we know. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Now cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Adjacent is BC upon hypotenuse, that is AC, which will be equal to AC upon BC. AC upon BC means what? Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse side upon adjacent side. Means how we can write it as hypotenuse side upon adjacent side, sec theta. Now we have to see about tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. Opposite side upon adjacent side, BC. Okay. Now therefore cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Now cot theta is equal to 1 upon. Now tan theta means what? AB upon BC. Therefore cot theta is equal to BC upon AB. Similarly, we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Means cot theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Learn the tables of the values of the trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now the trigonometric ratios I have written here: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now we have to derive the values for these all angles. Now I will tell you one easiest method to derive the values of these all angles. Now see, we will write the numbers in front of sin theta: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will divide these numbers by 4. Now after dividing this number by 4, we will take the square root of this. So after taking square root, this will be 0. This will be 1 by 2. This is 1 upon root 2. And this is root 3 upon 2. And this will be equal to 1. It means sin 30 is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is half. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 upon 2. And sin 90 is 1. Now cos, you have to write the opposite of them. Means cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2. And cos 90 is 0. In this way, in the reverse order, you have to write it of cos 0, cos 30, cos 45, cos 60 and cos 90. Now after this tan thetas we have to write. Tan thetas you know, sin theta upon cos theta. So using that same ratio we can write the values of tan theta is equal to 0, 1 upon root 3, 1 root 3, not defined. Same way cosec theta we know cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Now sin theta is this 0. So it will be 0 upon 0. It is not defined. Now 30 is 2, this root 2, 2 upon root 3, and this is 1. Now sec theta is 1, 2 upon root 3 by 2, root 2, 2 and not defined. Means what? See, cosec we have got not defined, 2 root 2, 2 upon root 3 and 1. Now sec will be opposite of cosec. Means it is 1, 2 root 3, 2 upon under root 3, under root 2, 2 and not defined. Now cot will be opposite of tan. Opposite of tan means it is what? Not defined. Then root 3, then 1 upon root 3 and 0. Now see, sin theta is equal to, you have got 0, sin 30 you have got 1 upon 2, sin 60, sin 45 you have got 1 upon root 2, and sin 60 you have got root 3 upon 2, cos sin 90 you have got 1. So sin's opposite is cos and tan is sin upon cos. So sin, according as per that we have got tan theta's values. So same way tan theta, after getting that we have to do the reverse of tan, that is you will get cot, and after that cosec you have to find. Cosec is what? 1 upon sin. 1 upon sin, if you will do it for all this, you will get the value of cosec, and once you will get the values of cosec, you will do the reverse of cosec, you will get the sec theta. Means see, sec theta is, sec 0 is 1, sec 30 is 2 by root 3, and 45 is root 2, 60 is 2, and sec 90 is not defined. Okay.